Okay, here's part 2 of tonight's video, seeing as I just spent the last 10 minutes talking, not realizing I was actually not recording. But anyway, ASTX, very nice rule of 2 winner for us over the last couple of weeks since we jumped in back here down at the $1.80 level. Nice run, consolidated, and then broke out again. Gave us a nice trade yesterday, 220 in the chat room, 235 target, 236 hit. Gotta love it when our target hits. Goes a little bit higher, lets us all get out, and then dips back down to give us another trading opportunity. We'll probably see how this acts around the 217, 220 area, but rule of 2 plays doing very, very well in this market. Biotech stocks and retail stocks. Now, before I jump into some of the other charts, I wanted to mention this in the chat room. Surprisingly enough, we're starting to see a lot of technology, small cap and a couple of large cap technology stocks warn over the last few days. AMD, big one last night, warned. We had QTM storage stock warn last night. We had OCZ storage stock warn today. Well, not warn, they missed and revenues were light. MTSN, another tech stock that warned, got hammered. HIMX, a little bit light on revenue. Kind of surprising. I thought it was priced into a lot of these stocks, but it doesn't seem to be the case. So it's only been prevalent in tech stocks. So, going forward, at least over the next few days, with us hitting earnings season, we probably want to be a little bit cautious on technology stocks, small cap tech stocks, just because we don't know what's out there. And, I'm surprised there's so many warning. So let's just, keep that in the back of our minds if we do play any little tech stocks. Now, what has been doing very, very well recently are small cap, biotech, and retail stocks doing very, very well, especially strong breakout move plays. PSUN, been a fantastic winner for us over the last couple of weeks from our 150s entry. Rule of 2 play, breakout nicely. 220 is next target on this one. New play today, ZZ, Sealy, Posturepedic, another retailer stock, earnings a couple of days ago. Up on the earnings, non-event, turnaround story. Looks like we're going to retest this spike high. As I mentioned, when we first played this one a couple of weeks ago, they had a fake spike high back in March, and then the stock ended up pushing and making new highs. So following the rule of 2 theme here, 220 plus could be target here. Indicators look good for a move here in the near term. Genome, G-N-O-M. Big spike out of the blue yesterday on volume. Retraced again today, but gave us a nice pullback entry yesterday for an opening sell. Pullback again today into the close. This one has a very nice chart set up here. 225 is very possible on a green market tomorrow. And a break through that 225, 230 level, this one could easily see 250, 275. Regarding stochastics, just notice I had this on full screen today. Yeah, this is just not going well, this video recording today. My apologies. Anyway, 230 break, and this one could have some serious upside mojo. So definitely one to keep an eye on with nice moving average support below. And this is a stock, goes up and down big every other day, it seems. So definitely one that is you're able to trade out on the next move if you do happen to get stuck in a trade here. GALE, another biotech stock setting up nicely. Nice volume pop yesterday. Gap this morning to that 180 resistance again today, and then retraced before getting a little bit of a pop late in the day. This one, I think it's only a matter of time before we see 2 plus, but I like this one for a bounce back on a green market tomorrow with stochastics probably bouncing off this 50 level. ISR, DCTH pair, which has been up big over the last few days on a rule of 2 play, monster winner there. ISR, nice big pop yesterday, nice gap this morning. Retraced on pretty low volume with the market and a lot of other stocks, but we got a positive MACD cross on the chart. Stochastics in a nice little uptrend, ADX, etc. And this one, if it follows the previous path it did where it had that gap, then retraced, then ran again, would be looking for this one to make a move back into the 120 plus area. 130, 140 seems a very logical target over the next few days. So that's it for the video tonight. Sorry about there being 2 videos and them being a little bit of choppiness, but you know, tonight's videos pretty much reflect how it's been in the market over the last few days. So stay safe out there. You know, in this market, maybe it might be wise to play a little bit smaller than you normally would. And be sure to book those gains. ASTX, you know, we got in at 220, 235 was our target. We booked our gains. We played that one perfect. This is how we need to play this market. If our target hits, we piece some off. Simple as that. That's it for the video. If you've got any questions, feel free to shoot me an email, feedback@buysellshort.com or .net, and I will see you guys in the chat room tomorrow. Good night.